Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to sync leads from Google Ads to Google Sheets. Let's suppose I'm running an online business and I'm capturing all the leads with the help of Google Ads. I want that whenever I receive a lead from Google Ads, automatically the lead details should be added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now doing this manually will consume a lot of time, so I've completely automated this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Ads and Google Sheets. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically the details will be added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to sync Google Ads to Google Sheets automatically. For this, I am going to create automation between Google Ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly Community. So you can join the Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on new features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Connect account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this Create Workflow button, and here I need to select my workflow builder. Now here I have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then I have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'll go with this new beta, and then I have to give the workflow name. So here let me name this workflow as Sync Leads from Google Ads to Google Sheets, and now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and here I am going to select Google Sheets Automations and then click on Create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on Create, this box has appeared in front of me where it is asking me to enter this trigger. Now here we are going to follow two very most important principles. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to sync the Google Ads leads to my Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically all the details will be added to my Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger actually activates or trigger any workflow. So in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Ads, because whenever I will be capturing the leads from Google Ads, it should be added to my Google Sheets, and then I'm going to take the action application as Google Sheets. Here in my trigger application, I am quickly going to take Google Ads, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new lead form entry and then click on Connect. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. Reading this help desk, I am going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Ads account. Now here I am working on a test campaign. I've created test lead form, and I will be doing the form submission and making the connection of this webhook URL to this form, test form, which I have created. Now I have simply opened this lead form, and I want to add the field. So I want the first name, last name, email, phone, city, country, and if you want the rest of the details, you can add that. I just want these details. Or maybe I'll remove this country. So I just want these details. Now I'm going to scroll a little down, and then over here I can see this option of lead delivery option. And if I open this option, I can see this webhook URL and the key. So I need to enter the webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste it over here, and then I'm going to provide the key. Now over here I've provided a random key, and then I'm going to click on this send test. Now Google Ads is going to send me the test data, as this is a test campaign. If you are running a live campaign, you will be able to capture the live response, but as I'm running a test campaign, I have created a test lead form. So I have made the connection of this form with the help of this webhook URL, and as I click on the send test data will be sent to me to my workflow from Google Ads. And if I receive this data to my Pabbly Connect workflow, this is going to show me the connection setup that we have created that is working fine. So here I'm going to quickly click on the send test data, and here the test data sent successfully. I'm quickly going to open my Pabbly Connect workflow, and here I can see that just 8 seconds ago I have received the response. Here the city is Mountain View, the phone number is this, email address is test@example.com, first name is first name, last name is last name, and then we have the rest of the details. Here as soon as I've clicked on the send test data, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup that we have created between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads that is successful. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now I want to add all the lead details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So then in my action application, I'm going to click on this add new action step, and I'm going to search for Google Sheets. And then in my action event, I'm going to select it as add new row and then click on connect. Now over here, if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Here you need to choose your account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets. And after choosing that account, you simply need to click on this allow to grant away the permission. Your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, so you can do this. Now here we need to enter the spreadsheet. I've created a spreadsheet by the name Google Ads Leads. So I'm going to select this spreadsheet, and over here as soon as I select the spreadsheet, you can see all the fields which I have in this spreadsheet appear here. So now I'm going to enter the value to all these fields. But over here, I'm not going to enter these details manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from Google Ads, and when I click on this field, I can see this Google Ads. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. Now here, I'm going to enter the first name which I have received from my response, and then the last name. I'm going to enter the email address, which is test@example.com, and then I'm going to enter the phone number. So the phone number was this one, and then I'm going to enter the city. The city was Mountain View. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'm simply going to click on save and send test request, and here I have received the response. Let me quickly open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and check whether I have added all these details there or not. And here we can see that we have added all these details. The name was first name, last name. Then we have received the email address as test@example.com, phone number as this, and the city was Mountain View. Now to summarize, we took Google Ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we wanted to enter all these lead details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I took my action application as Google Sheets, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow, and added those details to my spreadsheet. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Google Ads and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.